How to private your account on Twitter. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version so you can actually get access to all the new features. Next up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Twitter app or the X app. Now what I'm going to do in order to make my account private, just go ahead and click on my avatar icon at the top left, and you're going to see the settings and support. Just click on it and you're going to see three options appearing in front of you. Just move on to the next step, which is the settings and privacy. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just move on and just scroll a little bit down until we find the privacy and safety. Move on to this section, and from here you're going to see your activity on Twitter. So you can manage your activity on Twitter by these settings. I'm gonna just choose the first one, which is audience and tagging. So I'm gonna move on to the next step, and you're gonna see these two options appearing in front of you, and we're gonna just toggle them on. And even if you toggle one of them on, it's gonna toggle the second one on automatically, because you can't actually post your videos on public and make your Twitter posts private. It doesn't go along with it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just toggle the first one on, and we're gonna just toggle this second one on, and that means that now if we went back, that means that we kept our account on Twitter private, and no one will have access except our followers to see the new updates coming from us. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.